Okay, so three aspects of vehicle purchase that should be negotiated in the order. First is price, and is financing and trade-in. And when you negotiate price, you don't want the dealer to negotiate that you're seeking financing. When you're negotiating financing, you don't want the dealer to know that you're trading in. So, why should you make major purchase decisions at home using a grid? So you're away from the pressure of the showroom. You'll make better decisions in the comfort of your own home. You don't want to make a decision sitting at the car dealership. It's just a bad thing. If you've ever been to a timeshare presentation, you probably understand why that's the case. You can easily get basically beaten into submission. It's a little bit like when people who aren't guilty of a crime plead guilty when they're under interrogation. They know they play upon our weaknesses. Canceling a contract. So many people believe that you return a vehicle within up to 3 days if you decide it's not for you. This is a myth. There is a 3-day cooling off period for purchases made away from the seller's usual place of business, but not at the dealership. Dispute resolution. So alternative dispute resolution procedures. So mediation occurs when a neutral third party helps consumer and seller come to an agreeable solution to a problem. Arbitration occurs when a neutral third party reviews the particulars of a dispute and issues a ruling that is binding on at least one of the parties. Lemon laws and small claim court. Lemon law is available in all states, providing guidelines for arbitrators to use when considering the buyback of a defective vehicle. There's typically a minimum number of visits over a year that's applied to, and that is different from state to state. Small claims courts are available when civil matters can be resolved without attorneys. So Concept Check 8.4 summarizes FTC's cooling off rule to cancel a contract. It allows you 3 days or 72 hours to cancel purchases of $25 or more made anywhere other than the dealer's usual place of business. Difference between mediation and arbitration. Mediation is non-binding. Arbitration is binding on at least one party. How do lemon laws work? Lemon laws vary, but the common rule is the vehicle was in the shop 3 times for the same repairs during the first year. Laws provide guidelines for an arbitrator to issue an order for dealer buyback. The order is binding on the dealer, but not the consumer. So how does small claims court work? Small claims courts, civil matters are resolved without the assistance of attorneys. In some states, attorneys are prohibited from representing clients. Small claims courts usually place restrictions on the maximum amount under dispute. It's typically ranging up to $7,500. So, conclusion. Just the end of Chapter 8. Wise buying begins with pre-shopping research, progress through comparison shopping, negotiating to make the decision, and ending with the evaluation of the purchase. Complaining if it doesn't meet expectations.